Radhe Radhe everyone, this is Mansha and today I'm going to talk about Saturn in the 11th house. See, we know that the 11th sign is actually the sign of Aquarius, which is the Mool Trikon sign of Saturn. Saturn rules two signs, the 10th sign Capricorn and 11th sign Aquarius. So Saturn is like really comfortable in the 11th house because it is its original house. Obviously depending upon the fact that the dignity is also good. So Saturn should not be in Aries and that too in the Bhani Nakshatra, because in that case it will be debilitated and then there will be challenges. But in case if the dignity is good, then Saturn definitely feels very comfortable here. And 11th house is what? 11th house is the house of our elder sibling. So in my case, it is the house of my elder brother. In your case, whoever is your elder sibling, Saturn is that. Okay, so 11th house is also, other than elder sibling, it's also the house of our fulfillment of desires. It is also the house of incoming gains, large organization, MNC, humanitarian work that we do, and network circles, our friends that are that we make later on in life, that not the childhood friends but the friends that we make in our network circles later on in our business or in our profession. Okay, because 10th house profession and 11th house is just next to 10th house, so that is why friends from that profession. So what happens when Saturn, the planet of delay, frustration and hard work and cold, darkness, and I think I've said about Saturn everything that what Saturn is, or you can watch my earlier videos that what Saturn represents in our chart. Saturn is the most challenging part, and that's why it is important to talk about Saturn. It is important to heal Saturn first, then we can go to the next step. Okay, so it is important to always know at least our weaknesses, not to focus on our weaknesses. My agenda is not here to make Saturn a big fear factor in everybody's life, but to just know the challenges and later on work on our challenges, work on our weaknesses if there are any, and follow our life with full pursuit, knowing well that we have strengths as well. We have Sun factor also in our charts. So Sun is our strength, Saturn is our fear. So we have to know both, but we have to focus more on the Sun, and we have to just keep in mind that what are the challenging areas of my life, and that's why it becomes important to know about Saturn. Okay, that's why. So now Saturn is sitting in the 11th house, which is the house of your fulfillment of desires, elder sibling, MNC, large organization, network circle. So what happens when Saturn is sitting over there? See, first of all, Saturn gives results sitting in the 11th house in 8 years than compared to 10 years in other houses, because Saturn is comfortable. That's the house of Saturn. Okay, it's the original Mool Trikon house of Saturn. Okay, if the dignity is also good, then Saturn definitely gives results better. And Saturn, by being in the 11th house, as you can see from this picture, it's aspecting the house or your first house. So the personality is getting aspected. You might have a serious personality in the beginning of life. You may feel that you are suppressed and depressed. You were suppressed and depressed, and that's why you have become very serious towards life, and you are only focused about the serious stuff in life, right? But later on, this aspect actually makes you very responsible in life, and that's a very good part. Okay, and so Saturn in the first, Saturn in the 11th aspect in the first definitely makes you very responsible, and then Saturn by its 7th aspect aspects the house of 5th house, the house of happiness, children, creativity, stock market, love, romance. So you can imagine that all these areas of life take a back seat, and you start getting results if you have really worked very hard, like with full patience, dedication, hard work and perseverance. Then you start getting results from 30s. In other cases, in other videos, I have said that you generally get results in the case of Saturn when you have worked like really hard for 10 years. You start getting results from 36 onwards. But in the case of Saturn being in the 11th house, since it's comfortable, it's very comfortable in the 11th house because it rules the Mool Trikon Aquarius sign. So that's why Saturn gives you results in your 30s if you have really worked hard, because that's the requirement. That's the number one big requirement of of being Saturn or of having Saturn in the 11th house. So as you can see from this photo, that Saturn's last aspect, that is this 10th aspect of Saturn, is going in the 8th house of longevity and death, dark secrets, also the benefits that we get from our in-laws, our relationship with our in-laws. So and also, well, very importantly, the occult, occult areas of life, occult science, like if one will be interested in occult science or not. So all these interests will develop with time, and our relationship with our in-laws will also improve with time. But since I've explained in this video that Saturn is comfortable in the 11th house, particularly if the dignity is good, then you start getting results from 30s and not 30, mid 30s, as I've said in other videos, like older videos, because Saturn is comfortable in the 11th house, like really. So I would suggest you that in case you have Saturn in the 11th house, then please do use your Saturn properly, because you have that capacity, you have that thing that you can gain a lot, and Saturn will help you in fulfillment of desires, because 11th house is the fulfillment of our desires. So I would suggest you to live very happy and live life to the fullest. And in case you want to book a consultation with me, then you can go to this website. You can also reach to me on my email ID, and do let me know in case you have Saturn in the 11th house, or in case you have any other questions related to Saturn, then do feel free to comment. I'll see you in my next video in the Saturn in the 12th house. So we'll be finishing Saturn series very, very soon. I'm very, very happy about it. And in case you're facing any challenges in life and you want to know that which Mahadasha you're going through, why you're feeling sad, why you're feeling depressed, and why you are feeling just out of place, here is my address, and here is my Gmail account. Book a consultation with me and know yourself better. Okay, thank you so much for watching once again. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, okay, and share with your friends who might be interested in astrology. I take your leave. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Hare Krishna.